Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I want to discuss trigonometric ratios problem. Okay, so already few problems discussed. The remaining problems left, that one we will discuss it now. Okay, so you should get ready with your copies. You should try also. You should read the question properly and you should find out the meaning of the question. Clear? Okay, now let's start everyone. See example 14. Example 14 is telling in a triangle ABC, right angle at C. Okay, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Question clear everyone? At first read the question and find out the meaning of the question. Clear? What is the whatever given data are there. Okay, and try to do this one. Try to solve it everyone. So here given what? ABC, one right angle. Okay, I am drawing here ABC, one right angle. Suppose just consider it on right angle ABC, here A, this angle B, and here this angle C. Okay, so here given, here C angle is the right angle. Here given what? Here given tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A equal to given, no? Just little bit change it, because here also we can do it, this angle consider it, but that one just do B and this angle A, that is better. Okay, that one easily you can do it. Okay, clear or not? Okay, so here tan A equal to given what? 1 by root 3, that is the thing. This angle also we can consider it angle A and we can calculate also. Already we have discussed, already we have explained so many problems that respect of this angle, clear or not? Okay, so tan A equal to 1 by root 3 given. We find out what? Then find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Just see, I am drawing one right angle triangle again, because that little bit problem is there, so that's why. Okay, so this is A also we can consider it, this one. Okay, keep it, no problem, that one A, B and C. This is right angle, so tan A given 1 by root 3. Tan A given 1 by root 3. Okay, tan A means which angle given? Here this angle given. Here hypotenuse what? AB is the hypotenuse, this one hypotenuse. Okay, and base which one? AC is the base and BC is the what? Perpendicular. Okay, clear? Okay, so tan A means what? Tan A means, we know that what? Tan means perpendicular by base. Clear or not? Perpendicular by base means here perpendicular what? 1. Perpendicular 1. Perpendicular which one? Respect of angle A, perpendicular BC. So that's why 1. 1 means 1k will consider it. That means only k will consider. What is the k? K is greater than 0. K1 constant value. Okay, k what? K is a constant value and greater than 0. Okay, and 1k no need to write, just only will write k. Okay, base what? Base root 3 given, so base here base what? Base root 3k. Clear or not? This one base, this one hypotenuse. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so we find out what? Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to root over perpendicular square plus base square. That means root 3k whole square plus k whole square. Clear or not? Root 3k whole square plus k square. So now this formula we know that according to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so root 3k whole square means what? Root 3 whole square means only 3, so 3k square plus here only k square. Okay, that means 4k square. Okay, and root 4 means what? 2 and k square and square and root will be cancelled, only k will come, that means 2k will come. Clear? That is hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse what? 2k. This one understood or not? Understood everyone? Clear? That means we are getting what? Perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, everything we are getting. Okay, now we put the values only. What we need? Sin a cos b. Sin a cos b. We need what? Sin a. Okay, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, I think. Yes, cos a sin b plus cos a sin b. See, sin a cos b. Sin a what? Sin a what? So tan a means what? Tan a given 1 by root 3, and with the help of this triangle we will get sin a. Sin means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular what? Perpendicular sin a, angle respect of angle a. Sin a what? Sin a equal to, I am writing here, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular how much? Perpendicular k, and hypotenuse what? 2k. Clear or not? Clear? So that means kk will be cancelled, only 1 by 2 will come. That means here sin a means 1 by 2 into. This one understood? Clear? Okay, cos b just little gap, keep it like that, later we will do. Now we find out cos a. Cos a means what? Base by hypotenuse. Base what? Base root 3, root 3k by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means what? 2k. That means root 3k by 2k. So kk will be cancelled. Clear or not? Kk will be cancelled. So only root 3 by 2 will come. This one understood? Because cos a means base by hypotenuse. Base what? Base root 3k and hypotenuse 2k. So that's why kk will be cancelled, root 3 by 2. Okay, and respect of b now we find out. We got already respect of a. Now we find out what? Respect of b. Understood? So we need at first cos b. Cos b, angle respect of angle b. This respect of this angle b, we find out cos b. Cos means what? Sir say cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Here base angle respect of angle b, base what? K now. This angle, this is the base, and hypotenuse 2k, that means k by 2k, that means kk will be cancelled, means 1 by 2 will come. This one understood or not? 1 by 2 will come. Understood? Only changing the side only. Okay, we are changing that angle, so that's why the side also will be changed. Okay, sin b. Sin b, respect of angle b. Respect of angle b, sin b means, sin means what? We know that perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular what? Here respect of angle b, perpendicular root 3k and hypotenuse 2k, that means root 3k by 2k. Kk will be cancelled, only so root 3 by 2 will come. So here only root 3 by 2 will come. This one understood? Clear? Only we should find out the values only at first. Clear? Okay, now see, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 what? 1 into 1 1, and 2 into 2 4, plus root 3 into root 3 3, 2 into 2 4. Okay, so here denominator what? 4, 1 plus 3 what? 4, 4 by 4 means what? 1. Okay, so here answer will be what? 1. Okay, here also got it the answer. See, here also answer got it 1. Concept clear? Okay, so you should at first what to do? You should at first try to do that one right angle triangle according to the given data. Okay, put the data. Okay, whatever is there. After that, by the Pythagoras theorem, you should find out the one side, because two sides already given. So one side we find out. After that, another, the trigonometric ratios we will find out. That is the thing. Okay. Okay, I have understood. Now go to the next problem, next examples. Example 15. Example 15. At first read the question, everyone. Read the question. prove that 1 by tan square theta, question number 15 is telling, prove that 1 by tan square theta minus 1 by sin square theta plus 1 equal to 0. 1 by tan square theta minus 1 by sin square theta plus 1 equal to 0. Prove that. What to do? We will do the proof, means we find out what the value of 1 by tan square theta minus 1 by sin square theta plus 1 equal to 0. That one we find out. Okay, clear? Okay, so see the question at first and try to do, everyone solve it. How to do? I am doing like that. Just see 1 by tan square theta, at first write the question, minus 1 by sin square theta plus 1. We find out what? We find out the value, means we will get what? 0. That is the thing, we will prove it. Okay, that is what? Left hand side. This is what? Left hand side, LHS. This is what? LHS. We find out what? Right hand side, what? 0. Okay, clear? Okay, so 1 by tan means, at first you should say, no, 1 by tan means what? Sir, 1 by tan means cot, we know or don't know? 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. That one we know. Clear? Clear or not? And 1 by sin theta also we know that 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta. Clear? 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta and 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta. Already we have explained, we know that. We know or don't know? We know. So that's why here we will write what? 1 by tan means what? Cot square theta. Cot square theta. Okay, minus 1 by sin means cosec, so this one will come what? Cosec square theta. Clear? Clear or not? Plus 1. Up to this one clear? Understood? Okay, now one important thing is there. We are getting what here? Cot square theta minus cosec square theta plus 1. Now one important thing is there. What important thing, sir? One formula was there. I told you sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. I told you or not? This formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Next, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. I told you or not? Next, another one, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. These three formulas very important, I told you. Okay, so here we use this one, what? Middle one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Understood? So see, we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. But here given what? Cot square theta minus cosec square theta now, means little changes are there, means we will take what? Minus common. We will take minus common, and if we take minus common, what we get? What we get? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Understood or not? Plus 1. This one clear? Clear? Because here cot square theta minus cosec square theta we got, but according to the formula, what? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So that's why we should take the minus common. So after taking common, we are getting what? Minus of cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So see, now see, this cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 now, according to the formula. According to the formula. So that's why we will write here minus, and minus what? Minus 1, because this value of cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So that's why this one will be what? Minus 1. And after that plus 1 was there. So minus 1 plus 1 what? 0. Understood? That one proved. Very easy. Clear or not? Very easy. Clear? Okay, you should try it, you should practice it. Okay, otherwise that you will forget all the formulas. Okay, and as well as all the example also. That time that everything will hard, you will feel hard like that. So, okay, you cannot solve it. So that's why you should practice it. And if you practice the example also, you can do that exercise part also, because that similar type of problems are there. Okay, that's why we are discussing at first the example problems. Understood? Clear? Okay, next what? Next question number B. Question number B is telling 1 by tan square theta plus 1, 1 by tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, question, at first see the question. What is the question? 1 by tan square theta plus 1. I am writing the question. Okay, question number B, 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1. Okay, no problem. The tan square theta plus 1 is there. I have written here the 1 plus tan square theta is, and in that same thing is okay, plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 equal to 0. This one will prove it. Same way we will prove it. Like example means A, 15A. Okay. So how to do this one? Try it everyone. Accordingly, with the help of these formulas, no, 3 formulas like that. So I will do it. So you can try also, no problem that one. So what to do? At first LHS part we will do. From LHS, with the help of LHS we will get what? RHS. Clear or not? So LHS. So here 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. See, in denominator 1 plus tan square theta given, no? 1 plus tan square theta. That means the third formula, see, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So sec square theta equal to what? Since sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, that means sec square theta equal to 1 what? 1 plus tan square theta or not? 1 plus tan square theta. Why? Because minus tan square theta was there in the left hand side, we are bringing in right hand side, so we are getting what? 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Clear or not? So that 1 plus tan square theta equal to what? Sec square theta. Understood? So that's why this one will be what? Sec square theta. Clear? Concept clear? Okay. Now next part also see, 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta means middle one. Second one will take cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. From there only we will get what? 1 plus value of 1 plus cot square theta we will get or not? We will get it. See, so we can write what? Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta or not? Because cot square theta was minus in the left hand side, we are bringing in right hand side, so that's why the sign will be changed. That one will be what? Positive sign. 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta equal to what? Cosec square theta or not? Cosec square theta. Understood? Clear? Minus 1. Up to this one clear or not? Clear? Only with the help of the main formulas. Okay. Now see, 1 plus sec square theta. 1 plus sec theta means we know that 1 plus sec theta means what? Cos theta or not? 1 plus sec theta means cos theta. So write it here. So this one will be what? Cos square theta plus next 1 by cosec square theta. So 1 by cosec theta means what? 1 by cosec theta means what? Sin theta or not? 1 by cosec theta sin theta. So that's why this one will be what? Sin square theta. Understood? Clear? Minus 1. Okay. Now see, that first formula, main formula was sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 was there. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, in the middle plus sign is there. That means we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Similarly, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we are getting here what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. So this value what? This value 1, no? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. This value 1. So that's why this one will be what? 1. And there was there what? In the given question minus 1 was there. So 1 minus 1 what? 0. Clear or not? Proved? Easy or not? Very easy. Only with the help of formulas only we are getting the answers. Easy. So that's why you should practice it everyone. Okay. Okay. So 15 finished. I have understood. Next question. next examples. Okay, here already explained. So next what, example 16. Example 16 is telling, see, if cos theta, example 16 is telling if cos theta plus sec theta equal to 2, find the value of cos square theta plus sec square theta. Okay, what is the given question? If cos theta plus sec theta equal to 2, okay, find the value of cos square theta plus sec square theta. How to do this one? Try to do it, everyone. How to do? Whatever the given data, just write it right here. Given data is like that, cos theta plus sec theta equal to 2 given. Clear or not? Clear? This one given. So with the help of this data we find out the value. So what to do? We will do squares both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. What to do here? Squaring both sides. Okay, so if we do the squares in both sides, what we get here? A plus b whole square form or not? Yes, a plus b whole square form is coming. Okay, so write it here. So cos square theta, a plus b whole square formula what? A square plus 2a plus b square. You know that? Everyone know? So that's why you should write it here. Cos square theta plus a square plus 2ab, 2a b plus b square. B square means what? Here b square means sec square theta. Clear or not? B square means sec square theta equal to 4. Up to this one clear? Just according to the given data we are doing what? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. And if we do the squares both sides, what we get? We are getting the form of a plus b whole square form. Okay, and a plus b whole square form we know that a square plus 2a plus b square. Clear? So that's why we are getting what? Cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sec theta plus sec square theta equal to 4. Now see, this cos theta and sec theta equal to 1, no? Cos theta into sec theta, this value we know that, we know that what? Equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta, this one. Or we can cancel it also. Why, sir? Because cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Or if we write, we can write directly also cos theta into sec theta equal to, if we do the cross multiplication, so what we get? Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. So that's why cos theta into sec theta, the value what? Cos theta into sec theta value what? 1. Understood? Okay, so now we are getting what? Cos square theta plus, this one will be only 2 into 1 means only 2, plus sec square theta equal to 4. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now just 2 send it in right hand side. That means cos square theta plus sec square theta equal to what? 4 minus 2 or not? 4 minus 2. Understood? 4 minus 2. So that means we are getting what? Only 2. So that means we are getting cos square theta plus sec square theta equal to only 2. That is the answer. Understood? Clear or not? So here see, the answer already got here. Here also 2 got answer. Question clear? Answer also clear? Concept clear? Only that with the help of formulas we are getting the values. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so now see next question. Next question what? Example 17. 17 is telling if 2x equal to 3 sin theta and 5y equal to 3 cos theta, prove that 4x square plus 25y square equal to 9. What is the given data? Data are telling like that 2x equal to 3 sin theta, okay, and 5y equal to 3 cos theta. We prove what? Prove that 4x square plus 25y square equal to 9. One relation, we prove it. So how to prove it this one? At first, whatever given, the data are given, no? That one write it here. 2x equal to 3 sin theta. 2x equal to 3 sin theta, write it here. Okay, clear or not? And 5y equal to 3 cos theta. These two data are given in the question. Clear? These two data are given in the question. Clear? So we find out what? At first, with the help of two data, we find out what? Sin theta and cos theta. Clear or not? Clear? So now see, we can write 2x equal to 3 sin theta. No, 2x equal to 3 sin theta. We can write 3 sin theta equal to 2x. We can write or not? Clear? Because we are changing the place only. Left hand side and right hand side, two sides are there, so that's why we are changing the two places. Understood? So 3 sin theta equal to 2x. Similarly, here will come what? 3 cos theta equal to 5y. Okay, 3 cos theta equal to 5y. Understood? Okay. So now see, we find out the why changing, sir? Because we find out the value of sin theta. We need what? Value of sin theta. Similarly, value of cos theta also we need. Okay. So see, here sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to 2x by 3. Clear? Because 3 was there in the left hand side and in the multiplication form. So when it is bringing in the right hand side, that one will be what? Division form. So 2x by 3. Similarly here what? Cos theta equal to also we will get what? 5y by 3. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now see, we are getting value of sin theta and value of cos theta we are getting. So we prove what? What we prove? So LHS part is given 4x square plus 25y square equal to, we prove what? 9. Okay, with the help of the left hand side we prove it the right hand side. Right hand side what? 9 was there, so we find out the value right hand side 9. Okay, now see, now what to do? We are getting here value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, so we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 or not? Sin square theta plus in various way also we can do it, no problem, that one, various ways. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, we know that. Okay, here from LHS and LHS to RHS no need to do it, just only with the help of our formulas we can find out the answer. So how to do this one? See, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so value of sin theta what? 2x by 3, put it here. Okay, put it here, 2x by 3 your whole square. Clear or not? Because value of sin theta was 2x by 3 and value of cos theta 5y by 3 whole square. Okay, clear? Okay, equal to 1. Okay, this one we are getting with the help of our formula. Okay, so 2x by 3 means what? 2x by 3 means, here or will come, here or, so 2x by 3 means what? Whole square means 4x square by 9. Similarly here will come 25y square by 9 equal to 1. Clear? Okay, now see, denominator same 9 will come and numerator what will come? 4x square plus 25y square will come equal to 1. Understood? Now do the cross multiplication. Here denominator nothing is there means what? 1 is there. So if we do the cross multiplication, what we get? 4x square plus 25y square equal to 9 or not? Yes, 9. So that's why we'll get like that. Okay, so see, our proof also was there, what? 4x square plus 25y square equal to 9. Same thing is coming or not? Same thing is coming. So 4x square plus 25y square equal to 9, proved. Okay, we'll write here proved. Understood? Easy or hard? Very easy. Clear? So I hope understood everyone, all problems. Clear or not? Clear? So you should practice it. Without the practice, that you cannot solve it. Okay, so then from tomorrow onwards, that next day we'll do the what? Next problems, next whatever problems are there, that one will do it. Remaining examples as well as remaining exercise also. Understood? So you should practice it, if possible, as much as possible. You should practice all examples as well as exercise also. You can try it because that is good for you. And even in doubt, you should inform me. I will help you. Clear everyone? But you should practice it. And those who are sending, I know that those who are sending, that is okay, and they are telling the doubt also, but few students are not telling any doubt, any problem, nothing. There are no response. So that is bad for you only. You are not a kid, so you should do the work. Given a doubt, you should inform the teachers, no? Any subjects. Clear? So that's all. You should take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.